There's a straddle tanker with the tail down. He just put tail up. There's fire department. Somewhere I saw the Coast Guard, don't know where they went. I hear him. There's Nautica Queen. Ooh, fire department's going to do something. There's Coast Guard. Fire department's doing something. They got the lights going. Something's going on over there because I got the people are pointing stuff out to the fire department over there. They keep pointing to somebody over there. There's something going on.
Ow! That was my foot.
There's a straddle tanker. Good time 3.
I guess they are. I think that one is bigger than the other one.
The Queen?
Yeah. I think that one is bigger.
That one stacks high.
I know that one stacks high, but I'm talking about lengthwise.
They're telling them to move. Or something.
Lengthwise, I'm talking about. I'm not talking about width or height.
Who's that? Who's that one? What do you do? Get lost?
Is that the Army? Or...
No, it ain't the Golden Knights. Golden Knights is actual, well, it might be the Knights. Oh no, I didn't see the side. Why am I shaking? I can't hold this thing straight to save my life. I'm backing it up. Go let the fiance take over. She got to steady her hand.
What am I watching?
Yeah, anything. Videotaping. Just make sure to watch the time bar. I wonder what the fire department's doing over there. I mean, there's 2 Coast Guard boats and the fire department. Nice boat.
I think I'll take a jet ski.
You would? You want to ride a boat with me?
I ride a boat, but I'll ride a jet ski too.
We'll get a boat with the jet ski attached to it. Oh, check out the fire department. Doing a little show thing.
Look at their hoses, guys.
They're using their hose. They're just letting them shoot off.
Compete with that. Look at how. Look, imagine if. Nah, I can't say that.
You can say it. You can say it. Because believe me, everybody's going to be thinking what you're saying. Or they're thinking what you're thinking.
I wonder if a guy could ever shoot that far.
Don't you hate it when your gun just goes off?
Yeah. They're not even holding their hoses, though. That's the fucked up part.
It's called control. What are they going to do? Fight now the Good Time 3 against CFD?
Say, bring it on.
They may be bigger, but we got hoses.
And we know how to use them. At least spray them, anyways.
I find that fun.
They're almost getting Good Time 3 wet.
I see that. Show off.
They got nice hoses. Look at them sexy firemen on that.
Oh, please.
Every woman knows she wants a firefighter. Look at them.
I guess I'm chopped
Yeah, baby.
chopped steak or something.
You're chop suey.
Thanks a lot. I don't even rate chopped sirloin. I'm chop suey. Thanks, babe. They got the thing down again. I guess another train's gonna go by. Still like I'm chop suey. I'm gonna remember that one.
I'm glad. Don't forget it.
Thanks a lot, babe.
Coast Guard.
There's Coast Guard over there too,
Whoa.
by the fire department.
Bunch of boats. Everybody wants to see the air show today.
Where are we again?
Windy Park.
This is-
Best place to watch the air show.
Somebody's taking off. Yep, there he goes. Right above the runway. He's taking off that way.
Oh, well, we can't see him.
Not yet. He'll come around.
Fireman.
Sexy fireman. Ha! What do they got that I ain't got?
They got hoses that never run out.
Really? Oh. Okay.
Especially in the middle of the water.
They'll never run out.
They'll never run out.
What's the matter?
How do you stop this thing?